What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we're checking out the free for the month assets on Fab. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so first of all we have this insane cathedral. So it is very high quality and I mean it's even struggling to run on my Mac. But everything is nanite and it looks insane, very high quality. They're game ready assets, which is really nice. And we have full-fledged interiors as you can see. And I mean, this asset looks really good. If you're trying to do like a sort of game where you need to make kind of this ancient cathedral, I mean, this is literally what you can go ahead and use. It doesn't only have the cathedral itself, it also has an insane forest environment, which is really cool. So yeah, you can go ahead and get this one right now for free. And next up, it is the advanced asymmetrical multiplayer template, and this is a full-fledged template with blueprints and multiplayer replication that you can use to create your own Dead by Daylight game or something similar. So you can literally type your player name. I can do like Gorka, and I can do a quick play, join the game, or whatever you want. Let's do a quick play, and we can go ahead and choose the map, the amount of players, if we use land, the killer, and then play. And there we are here. Then you would go ahead and wait for some, players to join, and then the game will start, and you will start to, do all this gameplay. So it has main menus, it has natural level to play the game, it has the master killer, the survivor, and everything is replicated in multiplayer, so it works, and you can play online with friends, which is the best part. So again, it is free, so you can get it from this month. And last but not least, we have the pawn shop. So this is a system that you can use to actually like sell stuff and buy stuff using ATM and all that stuff. So you can see that we have here backspace to return from menus, enter to accept, left mouse button to interact on ATM and browser, and then the arrows to navigate between the menus. So let's go ahead and try to open this up. We can go inside. We have it here. We don't buy stolen items and there's nobody's watching. So you can see we can go here and buy an item, like for example this, but we don't have enough cash right now, so we can just go back and sell something, but we also don't have anything. So there's this inventory system. Oh my god, that door nearly broke into pieces. I don't know if there's anything. Oh yeah, we have an item here, so we can pick up this item, and now we probably can go here and sell the item to him. So we can just go here, smartphone, there we go, we have 150. So then we can go here and just buy this this thing. That's it. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. I can also go to the ATM and start to use it, and I can deposit, withdraw transactions. So I can deposit like 50, right? Should work. And then yeah, there you go. You can return transactions. It's pretty cool when you can customize everything as you want. So it is also free for this month, so make sure to get it.